What's going on, everybody? Paul here, coming at you with your Crypto Coffee update for Wednesday, February 7th and Thursday, February 8th. Starting out with your news bite. In the United States, the chairman of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, J. Christopher Giancarlo, has delivered an overall positive analysis of the digital currency space at a Senate Banking Committee testimony that occurred yesterday. Giancarlo likened the development of cryptocurrency to that of the early internet, suggesting a, quote, do no harm, unquote, approach during the technology's infancy, while simultaneously prompting regulators to find reasonable regulatory approaches to curb the growing culture of scams, pyramid schemes, and fraudulent ICOs. This is an overall positive sentiment for cryptocurrency traders and enthusiasts in the US, as the regulatory clarification has been a much needed force in an otherwise opaque and confusing legal atmosphere. Next up on the list is filing cryptos on your taxes, currently next to impossible. Let's see what the suits come up with when they try and square that circle again in their next meeting. In other news, Visa and MasterCard are getting a lot of flack today as both companies recently increased their fees for purchasing cryptocurrencies using their credit cards. In a rare move, I'm going to side with the banks on this one for a very specific reason. See, Visa and MasterCard cite the exorbitant number of first-time cryptocurrency buyers who are getting cold feet in the recent market downturn, marking their Coinbase and other fiat transactions as fraudulent charges in order to avoid loss of profits. This is absolutely not what the cryptocurrency movement is about. Let me be clear. We have grown adults who are making financial decisions based on flawed or incomplete information, decisions that are undertaken via their own volition and conscious choice. These grown adults are then so distraught that they may have been wrong, or are so impatient that they refuse to wait, that they instead decide to lie to major financial institutions to nefariously regain the paltry losses they assumingly would have recouped had they just learned to hold through hard times. Again, I use the term grown adult very loosely in this context, since in my opinion, grown adults take responsibility for their actions. In my opinion, if you're not comfortable with a loss, then don't invest. Never invest money that you're too afraid to lose, and wait and do your own research about market conditions before jumping in. FOMO, or fear of missing out, is a very real psychological force and has an equally real psychological effect. I'll put a link to an article about it below in the description. That wraps it up for your news bite. Let's go ahead and segue into the Crypto Coffee update for Wednesday, February 7th. Ripple will be at the Yahoo Finance All Market Summit Cryptocurrency, kind of a mouthful there, in New York City. So it's going to be hosted by Yahoo with a cryptocurrency Ripple attending. Co-founded as having an AMA. Wabi Token will be at the cryptocurrency conference titled, quote, Blockchain in Supply Chain, Transport and Logistics in Asia, end quote, which is happening in Hong Kong. Revain is presenting to some community experts today in Austin, Texas, so good luck to them. Unitus is having their monthly update. MyWish is launching the first ICO on their platform, so congratulations to the MyWish Foundation. Fluttercoin is having a hard fork. IoT Chain is launching their testnet today. And Neo will be listed on BitMEX along with a $100,000 Neo giveaway, so it's worth taking a look at that in my opinion. That wraps it up for Wednesday, February 7th. Moving into Thursday, February 8th. Not too much going on today. There's a blockchain and Bitcoin conference going on in Gibraltar. There's an ARC meetup in Long Beach, California. EOS meetup is going on in New York City. There's a Melon meetup in London. Flixo is having an AMA. And Cobenhood is listing the following coins: Engine, Funfair, Gnosis, and Universa. That wraps it up for Thursday, February 8th, and this Crypto Coffee update. Thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate all of the support. If there's anything that I didn't mention that you know of, let me know below in the comments. Everything that we did mention is below in the description. Like, share, subscribe, check us out on Discord. We'd love to have your input, and follow us on Twitter. Thanks again. My name is Paul, and we'll talk to you guys next time.